name is Dr. Clarence Owen. I'm a cardiac surgeon. I practice at HCA Florida Northside Hospital. I also do practice some at HCA Largo, but I spend most of my time at Northside. My specialty is heart valve repair and replacement. A lot of those done using minimally invasive techniques. I, of course, also do a lot of the other common procedures that we see, including coronary artery bypass grafting and so forth. But that's the majority of patients uniformly leave after surgery with very high marks for the care they get. Our staff, particularly in the ICU, are just phenomenal, and they surround our patients and provide compassionate and really expert care. And because of that, their recoveries are quicker and much less difficult than oftentimes patients imagine. And they uniformly leave the hospital with high marks for the team that took care of them. I like to think that we focus on the team aspect, that it really is a team sport, but we also focus on making it patient-centric. So, it's really important to keep the patient in the front of everybody's mind and making that the priority, both from the standpoint of making sure that they understand their medical problems, they understand the surgery they're having, they understand what they need to do to recover successfully, but we also try to do it in keeping them happy and giving kind care.